Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guess what? We're out on the water, finally. I hope everyone's been safe out there. I know it's been hard times this last little bit, but good times are coming. So a bit of an early spring run. We're just this is the first run out on the Sea-Doo this year. So this is gonna be just more of a quick little break-in video, make sure everything's working great. And you know, that we're having a good time, making sure that the Sea-Doo is in good shape for the season. Like I said, I'm not gonna film too much because it is still early in the season and it's still a bit cool, and really, you know, there's no leaves on the tree up here yet, so it's not as pretty as it could be. So anyways, let's just see what happens today. Come along for the ride, and here we go. Let's go. Shows up on film or not, but this is the wind and chop that I'm dealing with here. So, all right, let's go find them. Oh, I just got soaked. Hit it again? Alright, we gotta go low here. I guess we can back out here. You hit it again? You're an idiot. Yeah. It's like a little ramp. Alright guys, well, pretty much it for this video. So just making our way back to our dock. We're gonna load it out from there and call it a day. So thanks so very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little spring run just to get the Sea-Doo up and running out on the water, making sure everything's working. So like I said, It's just the beginning. We've got lots more adventures coming up throughout the summer, so I hope you stick around for that. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe. To all the new subscribers over the winter, thanks so much for joining. This is just the beginning of what we're going to get into, so I hope you like it. And for everyone else that's been here, you know what we're about to get into. So thanks again, everyone. Stay safe out there, be safe out on the water, and until the next video, peace. Oh, failure. Oh, that was fun.